Hi everyone, Sarah here at St.Albert Dodge's Active Showroom. So today I'm showing you the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. It's a beautiful stingray color. It is a matte color for you. They included the 3M that's black, so that helps with any sun glare that may happen. It also has the black and red accents throughout the vehicle on the interior and exterior. This vehicle is a full-size SUV. It has one owner, no accidents. It's under 40,000 kilometers, and it's just a great pre-owned unit for you. It has the 18-inch steel wheels. It is trail rated, so it's gone for vigorous 4x4 testing. It does have the deep tinted glass as well as the roof rails. This unit is keyless entry, so you have a remote start here on the front. You also have the hatch access. And you don't need to insert a key to open the door. You just have to have it in your purse, your pocket, or a bag. This vehicle has the LED brake lights and front lights, and it also comes with a backup camera. If you want to know more, I'm going to show you some interior features of it. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Sarah here at St.Albert Dodge's Active Showroom. I'm showing you some interior features on this 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So it does come with the dark leather seats with the red stitching. Great contrast look, super stylish. It is a smart integrated vehicle here for you. So it's push button start, remote, remote's car starter, no keys to enter the vehicle. You just need to have the fob in your pocket bag or purse. It does have the automatic 4x4 or select terrain technology. It comes with park assist, blind spot monitoring, stop and go system, which is going to save you a lot in gas, because if you're stopped at a set of lights, it's actually going to turn the vehicle off for you and start automatically as soon as you hit that gas pedal there for you. It has heated seats in the front and the back. It also has cooled seats here just in the front. It does have this ginormous panoramic sunroof, and it's Bluetooth integrated. You're going to have the steering wheel controls as well. Audio here, Bluetooth and cruise control here. This unit, like I said, has under 40,000 kilometers. One owner, clean car proof. If you want to give us a shout, 780-458-8660. We can get you some more information on it.